I'm heading outside to get some kale from my garden, and after that I would like to share something with you. Great idea how to fertilize your plants. I do not think it is actually new, but I am going to try it. These are the kale, and I am just going to harvest some kale right now. Right? Looking at the back of them. It's my very first time growing kale, guys. And the first time I ate it, oh my god, it was so delicious. I didn't know that one vegetable could be so sweet, like seriously sweet. I have known some vegetables, like green vegetables, when you taste them, they left a bitter taste in your mouth. But not for the kale, guys, not for the kale. I think I will be growing more kale this year because of the fact that it is very easy to grow, and I have had some problem with growing spinach in the past, and I am no longer going to spend my money on buying spinach seeds anymore. I will be investing in some kale. Alright, so I am not going to take off everything this evening. I'm going to leave some for another day's harvest. I believe the more you pick the kale, the more it produces. What do you think, guys? I don't know everything about kale. Yeah, all I know is that I will be eating a lot of this year, and I will also be growing some purple kale as well. I already bought the seeds. I haven't sown them yet, but I am definitely going to do so very soon. Alright, this looks like enough. Let me see if I can fetch some from over here. These leaves are much smaller, so I'm not going to harvest a lot of these. Alright, okay, so this is a nice pan of kale, if you should ask me. Yes, it is. Alright, guys, so what I want to share with you, the new way of fertilizing your plants. I think I recently did a video, but something was actually out of place with it, so I'm just going to do another one. So here I have 2 bell peppers that was transplanted recently, I think over the weekend. All right, here I have a country crock butter dish. As a matter of fact, let me use the one that I took outside, because I think this one has the holes closer to the bottom. All right, so here's a regular country crock butter dish. I have 3 holes in the bottom and 1 hole on each side. Now, the reason for the holes in this side is to feed the plants in the front, and say for example if you had another plant in the back, this hole in the back would feed the plant there, and in the other sides as well. Now what I will be doing, I am going to add some kitchen scraps in there. I have some kitchen scraps in this bag that I took out earlier, and I just brought these outside. All right, so I also have some leftover smoothie. I think this is a banana, kale and blueberry smoothie. So guess what, guys, this is definitely going in first in the bottom. And look, guys, see how it is coming through the sides? Yes, So I'm adding that, and then I am going to add some banana peels, of course. Let me get the banana peels. And some other stuff that I have down in there. Let me see. I think this is some sweet potato peels as well. Alright. So let me just throw whatever is in this bag down in this dish right here. I'm making a mess, but it doesn't matter. It can be fixed. Alright guys. I am not going to put the hand towel down in there. It's just the scraps from the food that I need. So that is sweet potato. This is some banana peels. And this is some more beet and some carrot heads that I just took out of the kitchen. There we have it, guys. Easy and simple method of fertilizing your plant. And I'm just going to get some water now to pour on it to start the decomposition process. We'll be right back. Okay. All right. Yes, Lord. I think these two peppers, they are going to be hollering out my name. Telling me how much they love me for this fertilizer that I am giving them. And as you can see, guys, I have 2 dishes in these 2 pots as well. And I have 2 in these. And I will be putting 2 in these maybe tomorrow, by the grace of God. I was trying to find all of the containers that I was hoarding in my washroom. Some of them have like sunflower seeds in them and other seeds that I have been keeping for me to grow in the spring. Okay, so there we go, guys. Very easy and simple way how to fertilize your plants, especially if you are a person that is very, very busy and you're not fertilizing the plants on time. Like myself, sometimes I set alarm on my phone to fertilize them or to water, and I will definitely miss that opportunity. So when you add the kitchen scraps as you go along, not necessarily like on a daily basis, just whenever whatever is inside start to break down, you can just add it, leave it, just come out and water it every now and then. All right, and your plants will be fertilized and they will be very, very happy. And I can guarantee you guys, I am going to do a monthly update for all the peppers that I transplanted a few days ago, and you are going to see the growth of these peppers with the new fertilization process that I am doing here. And I hope to see you pretty soon with another tip or garden trick. All right, see you all soon. Bye bye.